Alright, bud. Welcome back. We're going to do a little more examples on how to move. So we already have our robot, turtle, or robot. We still have plenty of fuel. Um, so let's see how we can program it to go up these stairs and back down. So remember how we move. So we would need to move forward one, up two, forward one, up two, and then forward one, two, down two, and then forward one, down two, and get it down to the ground here. Alright, so let's show. Remember, step by step, learn how to do it. So go forward or FD, then go up two. So that's the first part we have to do. Okay, I guess we only really did have to go one. Coming one up, so go down, okay, so then we're going to go forward one, down, forward, down, and that will get us up these stairs and down the stairs. So, so we go forward once, up once, forward, down, forward, and then down. Okay, so first step, second step, third step, fourth step. Press enter. What happened? Try forward. Oh, we did not spell something correctly. So we go FD. Okay, we need to go 2 forward. Go FD, then down, then FD, then down again. Alright. And there we have it. We've gone up the stairs and down the stairs. So practice little movements like that until you get the hang of it, so you can learn how to do them all here in the editor. So clear, that way you can start fresh. We're going to do another little example for you. It's very similar, it's just a little bit longer. So let's say you're under in the mines and you need your robot to go forward and up more than it usually has to, and then go down the stairs. So as you can see, we're going to go forward once, up once, then go forward 3 times, then go up twice, then go forward, down, go forward a little bit more, and then down. So let's do this in steps. Alright, so let's check its fuel. Plenty, okay? And we're going to go FD 1, then go up, and then go FD, and I think it's 3. Cool, alright? It completed its movement, so now we can give it more movement or commands. So let's go up by 1, 2, then go up forward 1, and go forward twice. Okay. Go down, Good. Then we go FD2, then down once, and we have officially got it all the way to the other side. And just keep practicing like this. In the next video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a little maze, and you're going to see it from the vantage point of someone up, and you're going to try to guide your robot step by step out of the maze so you can get a little more practice, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bud.